Hey everybody, this is Dave. I got a real quick, just a short video with you. This is going to kind of conclude my experiment with my soil that I thought might have been contaminated with grazon, or at least I was checking to make sure it wasn't. As you know from the last video, real quickly, I planted 2 sets of beans per pot. This one here with the white strip is the control. This has bagged potting soil in it. All the rest were my mix that I want to, I'm hoping to use in my garden. Everything came up okay. You can see this was planted in, these are about 10 days old. And you can see that one's got a little bit of wilting, I guess. But you can see these are growing like crazy. They've got plenty of runner. They're putting out new leaves. This is the control group. It is slightly bigger, slightly taller. However, this one here that received the possibly contaminated soil is still doing quite well. These also, I have to admit, did not ever get fully under the lights here. They're kind of just sitting off to the side, and I would rotate them around, but they may have got some even light. But I do want to show you the one. So this is the one that it definitely had grazon or some other herbicide contamination. I keep using grazon. There's a number of them that are very much similar. Now you can see it's grown up. It did take off. It did do what it's supposed to, except the top, the apical stem here, I have no runner. See? So the runner has got to grow up a pole, up a fence, up a trellis, you all know. And then it's going to bear beans somewhere, up here, not down by the ground. This one has not. Now it's got a little bit of a nub there, if I can get it to focus real quick. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to hold off on this pot. I want to let this grow a little bit farther and see just what happens. But all these other ones, they're doing great. I mean, we're talking 10 days growth. These plants are, in some instances, 2 feet tall. So just wanted to share that, pass along, and let you know how that turned out. Everything else in the seed starting, there's my Siberian tomatoes, there's my Baran peppers, and these are my potato seeds. Potatoes that are grown from seed. So getting excited about including some genetic diversity in the group, but that'll be for another video. In any event, here you go. Take a peek. This is what I got. The soil was free. Literally, it was all free except for the gas it took for me to go get it and a little bit of time and labor. And this is what I've got. And I do believe I'm going to try using it. I may use it just around corn or some other things like that. Those are grasses, which those herbicides are designed not to affect. We'll see. But every one out of the 10, I had one that was damaged, and I'm still going to wait and see what that bud does. So hope this video finds you safe and well. And then if not, stay safe, stay prepared, and hang in there as far as all this craziness in the world, and have a good weekend. Thank you.